Hi YouTube, I am Sujit from Advanced Excel Training Center IPTechnical School. Today in this class we discuss about the how can we make the pivot table with the data, multiple pivot table with data. So this is the data and now we have insert the one pivot table in the one new sheets and we have named that name as a pivot. We can create the pivot here. I want to summary of the total our quantity by June. So we have put the quantity in the value field and also zone in the row field. So now we have got the zone by total sold quantity. But problem is that I want to also see the amount, total amount, sales amount. So we have put the sales amount in the value section. We got the sales amount. But now we have compared this table with the chart. So when we create the chart, there is the comparing. You can see the sales is the down and quantity is the up. So here is the no need to compare with sales to quantity because quantity is the different part or sales the different part. So I want to make the two different uh, chart. First chart, the zone by sold quantity. Second chart, zone by the total sales value. But problem is that you can't create the multiple chart with one table. Then skip the column with skipping column. So we have created the two chart. First we have skipped this and second we have skipped this. This is not possible with the pivot table. So we have created the one pivot table just like zone by quantity. Now I want to create here the zone by total sales amount. So how can do it? So go to the pivot and click here insert pivot table. Now we have select the existing worksheet and go to the pivot, click here in the location and go to the pivot. We have select the second locations. If you have remembered, you have also keep the some blank row and column because if your pivot this pivot one is increase your pivot will be decrease. So we have select the here and press the OK. So now remember you have can't do anything the pivot one. If you change anything change the pivot one and maybe your column is the increase your second pivot will be overlapped and deleted. So you have ensured your first pivot is the done, then you have created the second pivot. So now we have clicked the zone here and we have put the total sales value in the value sections. We have changed the name zone and here amount. Now we have created the different data visualization here. So and also we have cut this visualization and moved to another sheet. Also we have select here insert the second chart and cut here and move to another sheet. Now I want to create the third chart here. Here. So same, go to the pivot, click here the pivot table and choose the existing worksheet and select the click the location and go to the pivot and select the location. Then OK. And we have now want to create the category wise total, category wise, zone wise total profit. Not a profit, sales value. So this is the third chart. You can also want to make the fourth chart. So no need to go to the every time this data sheet and click the pivot and select the things worksheet and select here the location. You can also copy all. You select the all pivot, pivot all data, complete pivot, and copy and paste to the locations. Remember, you have select everything. If you have just like you have put the filter area, so now you have select also filter also. So select your complete pivot and copy to any another locations. You have make the different pivot with the same data. You can also insert the slicer. Go to the slicer and insert here slicer. Click this like we have select the regions and category, and we have moved this slicer to another location also. You can keep here also. I go to the just like dashboard like that here. But when you click the Dali, only for one chart will change, second chart and second data will be not changed, because we when you create the slicer with one table, you need to link to another table. How can link the another pivot table? Just click the second pivot table here and go to the pivot table analyze here and click the filter connections and connect your slicer and select also. Go to the pivot table and click the slicer here. Sorry, filter connection like that. So now you can select the slicer also. Use the slicer also. So you have created the multiple pivot table with one data using this method. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe my channel. You want to learn the complete advanced Excel with me live online one to one, please call me. My number on the screen. Thank you.